absolutely raining heavily. I'm out for a walk in the rain to record this video and show you around. This is my most favorite weather. It is so green outside. Everything seems so fresh. And I'm definitely enjoying my walk. This is a really cool spot in my neighborhood. This trail basically takes you, it's like a shortcut. So yeah, that's how it is. That's where I've come from so far. And whoops, my camera has some water on it, I think. And that's where I'm headed. I'm blessed to be able to stay surrounded by nature and come for walks like these, even when it's sunny, raining, fall, or snowing. The rain had paused momentarily, and it's still drizzling. It's about to resume shortly. What more could I ask for? Friends are also out for a walk, while some friends are just standing. Hey! Okay, I think I scared them off. It feels like I'm in the middle of nowhere. On our way back home. If you enjoyed this walking video, I would definitely want you to like, share, and subscribe, and do let me know in the comments how you found it. I'm sure आपके दिमाग में आ रहा होगा कि इस वक्त पकोड़े हो, आप एक अच्छी सी लॉन्ग ड्राइव पर हो और बस ऐसा मौसम हो. Well, I think you can enjoy that on my behalf because I don't have a car or vegetable fritters right now, so bye.